cleaning systems are becoming increasingly user-friendly and increasingly portable. But it has remained difficult to find a system that is efficient, effective, and truly portable, even when full of water. The Streamflo 12-litre mini trolley is the solution for cleaning extreme out-of-reach areas, including upstairs, apartment balconies, and for easy transportation through busy areas. Weighing only 6 kilograms when empty and 18 kilograms when full, the Streamflo Mini can be lifted freely for transportation over uneven terrain, while the durable yet lightweight wheels enable a steady glide over pavement and tarmac. The extendable trolley handle can entirely retract for easy storage, plus the removable water tank allows the system to fully fold in on itself. All this means the Streamflo Mini is perfect for small jobs or beginners, whilst having the same quality pump, controller and battery as larger scale systems. Talk to Streamline today to find out whether the Streamflo 12-litre mini trolley is right for you.